If you are having trouble logging into Cash App, this video will guide you through several troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Verify that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. You can try opening a web page to confirm access. If necessary, restart your device or router. Also, visit the official Cash App status page to see if there are any reported service outages or maintenance currently affecting logins. Corrupted or outdated cached files can often cause app issues. To clear them, go to your device's settings, navigate to App Management, and select Cash App. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache to clear the cache. You may also choose to clear data for a complete reset, though you will need to log in again afterward. Keeping your app updated is essential, as older versions may contain bugs. Visit your device's App Store or Google Play Store and search for Cash App. If an update button is visible, tap it to install the latest version, then relaunch the app and try to log in again. If you have forgotten your credentials, you can reset your PIN or password. On the login screen, select Forgot PIN or Trouble Signing In. Enter your registered phone number or email address, follow the prompts to receive a verification code, and once confirmed, you can create new secure login credentials. If troubleshooting steps don't work, contact Cash App support directly. Open the app, go to your profile, select Support, and choose a relevant topic. Navigate to Contact Support, describe your issue clearly, and wait for a response from the team to assist you further. Finally, there are platform-specific steps. On iOS, you can offload app and iPhone storage settings to clear cache without losing data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, and Cache App to use Force Stop to halt background processes. If these fail, you may need to clear your cache or data via storage settings.